So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson, we shall be talking about the post analysis, and we shall be checking different things like animation and deflection. So once we are done with that, let's check our slab deflection. So let's go to plan and let's choose first floor since they are typical. So I'll select first floor. Now you can see different meshes. So what you do now is come to this place. You can see show deformed shape, select it and choose the combination you want. So for my slab, I want to use just the dead load and the live load, and I know the dead load and the live load is going to be UDCon 20. So that is for UDCon 20 as the serviceability load for my UDCon 20. So I can decide to draw contours if I wish to. So select this and click OK. So what you're interested is the displacement Z. So you can look at your contour and check it here. So you can see the blue here is around -4, okay, and you can see this yellow is around -20, okay. So you can see it around here. So okay, so you can see this for in this sense that this place is not going, so it's going almost -1.79, okay. So this place also, let's see, this is going -25. So now the code has told us, because this place is cantilevered, so we still have some permissible limits, but for this place the code has told us that it should not exceed L by 360 or L or 20 millimeter, and we know our span from here. Let me turn this off, okay, press D, and we know our span is about 6.9 meters. So we have 6,900 divided by 360, okay, so it's about 19.16. so it means we are still within the permissible limit of this